In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to convert video into a GIF. So let's get started. Head over to InVideo website, scroll down. Here you can see video converter. Click on it. The best part is that you don't need any credit card information or sign up required. So select your files. After that, click it here. You can upload video file by clicking it here. Here we need to select video file. Let's say I am selecting this file. Now I want to convert into GIF format. Now click on convert file. Now you can see it is now converting. Now it is converted into GIF format. Now you can see your GIF file is ready to download. Click on download button. Now it's downloading. It takes some time. Now you can see it has converted into GIF format. Now MP4 is converted into GIF format. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.